Hello and welcome to another video on our series on tools of the DevOps trade. In this video, we'll be focusing on continuous integration and continuous delivery and/or deployment. More on that later, but take note that it is commonly referred to as CI/CD. We will explore the foundations of these practices and their importance in the DevOps ecosystem. CI/CD plays a crucial role in streamlining the software development cycle, automating crucial processes, and ensuring that high-quality software gets delivered efficiently. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of CI/CD. Before we model things up, let's separate both concepts and take them one at a time. So let's start off with continuous integration. Continuous integration, or CI, is a development practice that involves developers integrating their code changes into a shared repository frequently, ideally several times a day. This process enables the early detection of integration issues, reducing the risk of bugs, and promotes a collaborative development environment. Let's also take a look at the key elements of continuous integration and examine some popular tools for each component. Version control system, as discussed in our previous video on VCS, manages and tracks code changes, assuming that Git is the chosen option for version controlling. Automated build system. This essential component compiles the source code and generates executable files or packages, depending on the programming language used in the project. Examples of widely used build automation tools are Apache Maven, Gradle, MS Build. Apache Maven, primarily used for Java-based projects, it simplifies the build process for managing dependencies, plugins, and build lifecycle. Gradle is a versatile build tool as well, compatible with multiple programming languages including Java, and it is used for other languages such as Kotlin, C++, and Groovy. Gradle combines the best features of Apache Maven and another build tool called Apache Ant, offering flexibility and high performance. MS Build, designed specifically for .NET applications, is the default build engine for Visual Studio with support for C#, VB.NET, and F# projects. Each of these tools caters to different programming languages and project requirements, streamlining the build process and ensuring smooth execution throughout the pipeline. Automated testing. To ensure the correctness and quality of the code, automated tests are essential. Tools like JUnit for Java applications, NUnit for .NET applications, and Selenium for web application testing are widely used for this purpose. The final element of CI is continuous feedback. Providing developers with immediate feedback on their changes is crucial for maintaining high-quality code and efficient development. Feedback can come in the form of build notifications, test results, or code review comments. Tools like Jenkins, Travis CI, and GitLab CI/CD can be used to automate this feedback process, ensuring that developers stay informed about the impact of their changes. Now that we know that CI focuses on automating the process of integrating code changes and validating them through automated builds and tests, it's time to now delve into the next stage of the software delivery process, continuous delivery. Continuous delivery is a natural extension of continuous integration. While CI is concerned with automating the integration and validation of code changes, CD takes it a step further by automating the entire release process, from code changes to deploying applications in various environments. The main objective of continuous delivery is to maintain the software in a deployable state at all times, facilitating rapid and reliable releases of new features, bug fixes, and improvements. In continuous delivery, every code change that passes through the CI pipeline proceeds to a robust CD pipeline. This pipeline involves repeating the building and testing, and then adds the deploying stage to the pipeline to deploy the application to different environments, such as staging or pre-production, to ensure that the software remains stable and ready for a release. Implementing continuous delivery brings numerous benefits to organizations. Accelerated time to market, which enables swift and frequent releases, allowing users to access new features and enhancements more rapidly. Enhanced software quality, which minimizes human error and ensures early detection of issues, resulting in more dependable and high-quality software. Improved collaboration, which promotes a collaborative culture and shared responsibility among development, operations, and other teams involved in the software delivery process. Quicker feedback, which yields faster feedback on code changes, enabling teams to identify and address issues more efficiently. Reduced deployment risk by guaranteeing that the software is always in a deployable state. CD mitigates the risk associated with deploying new releases to production. When you see CI/CD, it's important to note that the CD actually refers to either continuous delivery or continuous deployment. So next time someone is discussing this with you, you might want to check with them, what part of the CD are you referring to? Let's take a look at the differences between both. Continuous delivery versus continuous deployment. Even though they are related, are distinct concepts in the DevOps landscape. Continuous delivery is the practice of ensuring that your software is always in a releasable state. This involves automating the process of building, testing, and packaging your application so that it's ready for deployment whenever needed. The final decision to deploy the software to production, however, remains a manual one, meaning someone needs to click the play button to get the software onto the production server. Continuous deployment, on the other hand, takes continuous delivery a step further by automating the deployment of the software to production, as opposed to continuous delivery, which requires a click of a button to release to production. Therefore, continuous deployment focuses on complete automation, which means that every change that passes the automated test gets deployed to production automatically, without any human intervention. Both practices aim to minimize the time between writing code and delivering it to users, but the level of automation and risk tolerance differs between the two approaches. Basically, it is more risky to practice continuous deployment, as it means the automation from development goes straight into production, as opposed to continuous delivery, which still has that manual touch, where the final decision to release to production is done by the click of a button. With that, it is still more cautious, and the deployer may choose not to release to production just because he has spotted a bug during his manual review. Let's talk about the CI/CD tools and technologies. Several tools and technologies can help you implement CI/CD practices. Some popular options include Jenkins, an open source automation server that enables developers to build, test, and deploy applications automatically. GitLab CI/CD, a powerful and integrated CI/CD solution offered by GitLab, enabling seamless continuous integration and deployment within the GitLab platform. Travis CI, a hosted distributed continuous integration service used to build and test software projects hosted on GitHub. Circle CI, a cloud-based CI/CD platform that enables the software development process, allowing for faster delivery and reduced errors. Bamboo, an on-premise CI/CD server solution from Atlassian that integrates with Jira, Bitbucket, and other Atlassian tools. Choosing the right CI/CD tool depends on your organization's specific needs, existing infrastructure, and desired level of customization. In summary, continuous integration and continuous delivery or deployment CI/CD are essential practices in the DevOps ecosystem, aimed at improving software quality and accelerating delivery times. By understanding and implementing CI/CD practices, you'll foster a culture of collaboration, automation, and efficiency, which are the cornerstone of DevOps success. I hope this video provided you with valuable insight into CI/CD and inspire you to explore these practices further. I'll see you in the next video.